A verdict tonight in the ComEd bribery trial. All 4 defendants found guilty. The jury deciding the 4 crossed the line into illegal bribery when it came to their work with former House Speaker Mike Madigan. CBS 2's Tara Molina covered the trial closely and is breaking down the verdict.
This jury combed over a mountain of evidence to reach this verdict. Evidence spanning 8 years, recorded phone calls, secretly recorded videos, hundreds of emails and more, all tied to a conspiracy involving former House Speaker Mike Madigan, a conspiracy all 4 defendants found guilty of. Guilty, 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 guilty. All 4 defendants on all criminal charges lodged against them. They're Mike McLean, former ComEd lobbyist with known close ties to Mike Madigan, former ComEd CEO Ann Pramaggiore, who testified on her own behalf, former ComEd VP John Hooker, he also testified on his own behalf, and ComEd consultant Jay Doherty.
We are tired of political corruption in general, and we are hoping that this is a first step so that Illinois can function better.
ComEd juror Amanda Schnicker-Sayers sharing the jury's perspective after the verdict. She said Madigan's involvement was key for the jury.
Our perception was that he really did cause this all to happen. If it wouldn't have been for him, then these people would not have been in the position that they would need to commit crimes in the first place.
The case revolving around the 4 defendants' relationship with former House Speaker Mike Madigan, a relationship they say crossed the line from legit lobbying into illegal bribery to win Madigan's support and influence over ComEd legislation in Springfield. And while he wasn't named in this suit, he was a central figure in the more than 6-week trial. The jury heard Madigan on recorded phone calls and heard the 4 defendants talk about him and what he meant to ComEd. Ann Pramaggiore's attorney spoke to the loss.
We're disappointed with the verdict and we will appeal.
A different tone from federal prosecutors. This, a huge victory. Here's Acting U.S. Attorney Morris Pasquale on how important the recorded calls, videos, emails, and more were to this win.
We use any lawful tools that are at our disposal. And in this case, you saw a combination of several different lawful tools, which culminated in what the jury thought was proof beyond a reasonable doubt in this case.
The 4 defendants have no criminal history, but the counts lodged against them carry heavy penalties, and they could be looking at some real jail time. Of course, we won't know that until the sentencing. CBS 2 did check in with ComEd following this verdict. They say that they've made substantial changes to their contracting, lobbying, and compliance operations. You can read more from them and their response in this story on our website right now. Reporting inside the federal courthouse, I'm Tara Molina, CBS 2 News.